feel like absolute garbage. I didn't sleep very well at all. Anyways, let's go to the airport. Okay, let's go to the airport. All right, let's do it. I'm like too exhausted to stress right now, but somehow I'm doing it. I just want to say, rolling suitcases on snow and ice sucks. Okay, continuing on. Oh, it sucks. The birds are laughing at me. Okay, I just want to say that that was the best I could do. My hands are so freezing right now. It's 3 freaking degrees outside, guys. And my hands are actually numb. Well, we got to the airport. Let's go check in, go through security, you know. Maybe if we're lucky, a coffee place is open and we can get some wonderful, lovely coffee. if we're lucky, if it's open. So, it might not be open, but. I guess everyone's flying today. They had to take out my carry-on case, the one with all the camera stuff in it, always gets pulled, and then they have to undo the latches, take out all the camera equipment, and they can't put it back in because it goes in a certain way to fit. So I'm just like, here, just give me it. And then he's like, well, what do you need all this for? I'm like, I'm a YouTuber. He goes, you need all this for YouTube? I was like, yep. Okay, time to board.
11:20 Airbus service for Toronto. Looks like we're pretty much ready to go. There's a little bit of frost on the wings, so we're going to push back, straight back there and have all that stuff removed after we're...
Okay, so I'm in Toronto, and I have to go through customs, because it's the international gate. Stuff is on the second floor in Toronto. Toronto's such a big airport, but international is on the second floor. I know that. I had to research my bags and rescan them. So much fun in customs. Made it through customs. Yay. I'm so tired. I want to go home already. But at the security thing, again, they were like, you just have so many electronics, we can't really see. I was like, yeah, that's because I'm working. Oh God, this is so annoying because I have to wait extra time. So instead of 86, it's 99. Literally like the last. God. So many twists and turns, and like upstairs, downstairs, through the hole, out the hole. Just over it. Just teleport me, please. Like, what? Let's find some food, maybe. Food would be great. There's like no places to eat in this terminal. At least that has like dairy-free food. Oh, breakfast bar and some mints. I also have a bagel in my backpack, but granted I've only eaten cookies and orange juice today. I'm tired though, and it's hot in this thing. It's like, they're like, oh, you're going to America, you're gonna have the heat, the unventilated basement, which is where we're at. We're at the ground floor. And like no restaurants. That's what you get. Honestly though, we deserve it. Because like, what are we doing in America? So I'm just walking around the airport now because I have like an hour and a half to kill, so we're just walking. There's only one restaurant. No dairy-free food.
On board Air Canada Express flight 8930 with service to Philadelphia. We're just about ready to go up front. We're just waiting on last of the luggage to be loaded on board, and we'll be closing up the main cabin door and on our way. Once airborne, we're looking at 1 hour in the air today, cruising at 27,000 feet. The latest weather in Philly is overcast skies at a ground temperature of 24 degrees Celsius, that's 75 degrees Fahrenheit. On behalf of your entire crew,
This is the...